Tradovate. In today's video, we are going to review Tradovate. So let's get started. The process is simple. You just have to follow the video till the end. So Tradovate is a broker that lets you trade from your web browser or phone application. You do not need to download big software for it. Just sign up, add at least $250 to your account and you are ready to go. It connects you with other tools like TradingView so you can use charts and signals from there. These are its key features. You get real-time news on your charts, custom orders, and even a way to replay old market days to test ideas. There is paper trading too. That's practice mode with fake money but real prices. They have micro contracts which are small and cheap to try, like $1.50 each. Let's talk about their pros. It is easy to chart with low money. No monthly fee is needed if you pay per trade about 79 cents per side for futures. Mobile app works great anywhere and it is good for new traders who want simple setup. Now let's talk about its cons. Some users say customer service is slow and Trustpilot gives it a lot score of 2.6 out of 5, which is a red flag. A few complain about platform glitches are also reported. If we talk about its pricing, the pricing is flexible, free plan with per trade fee or $1.99 a month for active trader deals or $1.99 is also available. So that's all about Tradovate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.